In this video, I'm going to show you how to EQ or equalize in Reaper. Now to do this, first you want to go and select your track where you want to equalize. So for example, I have some sample audio in here which I want to equalize. Then you want to go to this FX button over here on your track, and it's going to show the FX window where of course you can find different effects, plugins, and stuff like that. Now what you want to do here, of course, is find an EQ or equalizer plugin. I'm going to use this one, which is called EQ over here, or you could go and just look for a different one by tapping in EQ or equalizer. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. Then click on it and click on the add button, and there we go. It's going to add your equalizer over here to your list of your FX. Okay, now in here, of course, you can go and select different presets. You have a bunch of options. You could go and select different settings up here, and then you have the option to kind of drag these things over here, which are going to kind of help you to visually change these things by, of course, changing different things. So this one over here is LS or low shelf. This one over here is band 2. Then we have band 3, and we also have this high shelf over here, or HS. Okay, now over here you can change these, move them however you want, and then down here at the bottom you have, of course, a bunch of options. So you have things like low shelf over here, you have the band, you have the other band, and then the high shelf over here, as well as the high pass. So for example, I'm gonna go to high pass right now. Of course, you can change these over here as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to enable this high pass over here, and you can go ahead and basically set this band to high pass mode to remove unwanted low end rumble or mud below a set frequency. So for example, like 75 hertz on a vocal or guitar. So I'm gonna go and select this to 75 over here. And there we go, we've added a high pass right now, okay? Then I'm gonna go and add a new one over here, and I'm gonna do, for example, the shelf over here. So I'm gonna do like high shelf or something like this. And of course, you could go and use like high or low shelf settings to gently boost or lower all frequencies above or below a chosen point, okay? So I'm just going to use the high shelf for now, like this, and I'm gonna enable it. Then I'm gonna go to 3 over here. Here you can just go ahead and use any of the bands over here and stuff like that. Okay, so that's essentially how to use it. Now you can go and of course Google what all of these do over here. There's a bunch of different characteristics which of course these types possess over here. And yeah, you can then just use these sliders. You can add bands, remove them, whatever, and that's going to help you equalize in Reaper. When you're done, you can just click on the X button up top, and there we go, it's been applied. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.